Alright, it's Rookie Repairs back at it again. So you see this, you don't know if it's on or off or what station it's on. There's some lights on the dash, but the radio still works. So I went ahead and grabbed one from the junkyard, and we'll replace it with this one, which looks better to me. Alright, let's go ahead and replace this. Alright, so we have a 07 Ford Fusion, but it's the same thing for 06 up to 09. Alright, so we're gonna be replacing the stereo. Alright, let's get started. So with your flat screwdriver, go ahead and pull this out. There's two hooks right here holding it, one right here, one here, and two in the bottom. One right here, one right here somewhere. Go ahead and pry it out. Do it gently. You don't want to break anything. And go ahead and turn off the car if you haven't already. You go to disconnect the battery, your negative terminal, but I'm not going to be touching any wires other than the ones connected to the stereo. So I have to go grab another flat screwdriver. So aside from those two on the top and two on the bottom, there's one on the side, on each side. One right here, the other one's right there, as you can see. Alright, let's move this to the side. Or you could go ahead and disconnect it. There's a little hook right here. Just press on it. Same thing on the other side. Alright, let's go ahead and move our, go ahead and turn it off. I believe this is 7mm. There's 4. There's 1, 2 on the other side, 3, 4th is down there somewhere, right there, 4th. All right, let's go ahead and remove it. All right, so the next thing you have to do after removing the 4 bolts, 7mm, just go ahead and pull out your stereo. Just go ahead and wiggle it. Just come off. Pull it out. I believe there's 3 connections you have to disconnect. You have to press on it. I guess that's all it goes. Try to get this. All right, as I mentioned, there's 3 connections that you have to remove. You just have to press on this, press it down and push it backwards to pull it out. Same thing with this little one. Just press it down, push it backwards. This is for the antenna. Just go ahead and pull it out. There's actually 4, including this one. All right, let's go ahead and plug all those back in. Go ahead and grab a towel so you clean this. All right, let's go ahead and reinstall the new one. All right, so here's the old one. Just throw it out, just like that. grab the new one. All right, see, he has the same connections. All right, let's go ahead and connect it. On this one doesn't have the little one, but it has the medium-sized one, the one in the back over there. All right, let's go ahead and connect it. All right, so yeah, I connected everything back in. You can see this one does have light on the dash. So yeah, see, it works.
Mi señora tiene familiares para allá, para Chico.
Alright. So yeah, there you have it. Go ahead and connect all your 4 bolts that's holding your radio. There's 2 on this side. And 2 on this side. Alright, so I wanted to test it before I connect everything back on. Because yeah, as I mentioned, we got it at the junkyard. You never know. But yeah, sometimes you get fine good stuffs out there. So yeah, good parts. See, this stereo works. So yeah, just have to reinstall it. So finally we got the stereo back. So yeah, that's nice. Last one back there. The one on the bottom. Just go ahead and tighten it. Alright. Alright. So next thing is you disconnect this too. Just go ahead and connect it back in. And after that, just reinstall it. All you have to really do is just give it a little punch, maybe. Put pressure on it. So all I did was put pressure on it with my thumbs. Both thumbs had press on it, and it went back in. Same thing with the bottom. All right, so there you have it, working stereo. Yeah. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.